Ford Transit Custom airbag control unit location. First remove this seat, after it is here. Also to do like original, you must remove also driver seat, take out batteries and unscrew this screw from inside, and after you can take everything. I done not normal way, I have cut with metal plate because it's just holding two screws here, and this is, it happens nothing. It's gonna hold still very good and very nice. So now I cut it this, slide it inside, and I got airbag control unit access. Right, what you think? Is it better to take out also all batteries, everything, and do without cutting, or just make small cut and finish?